Welcome to Homemaker's Choice. In today's video, we are going to make a very quick recipe, a very quick gravy to make it fast, especially when you are not keeping well and you want to do something very fast. This is a very easy recipe. This is almost like a stew. So all that we need is anything you can use it, but today I am using green peas and brinjal. You can use any vegetable or anything like this according to your choice. So I have taken brinjal, green peas, tomatoes. These are the spices I've taken, and I've taken very less spice today, and coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chilies, onions chopped, garlic just split with the peel, and ginger, sliced ginger, and coconut sliced. So before this I've already washed the garlic pods clean in water. So all we need to do is just grind all these together in the mixie jar without frying or anything. Coconuts, onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies, coriander leaves, curry leaves, and all these spices, and you can add your spices according to your desire, and tomatoes. We are going to grind all these together except green peas and brinjal. Brinjal we are going to slice it. Now we've ground the masala, everything together except green peas and brinjal. All the rest we've ground like this to a paste, and now we removed the stalk, and now we've slit the brinjal like these. You can see we've slit all the brinjal like these. Now method of cooking, we are going to add all these brinjal to the cooker directly. We are going to add everything here, even the green peas. And over the green peas, we are going to pour all the masalas. Add salt according to your taste. Add sufficient water. After adding salt, add some chili powder if you need more, and add a little bit of turmeric also, turmeric powder. Now mix it nicely and see if the texture is right. If you want the gravy to be little watery, you can add little more water, and I'm adding little more. Now you can close the cooker and put it on the stove, and you can allow it to go for 3 whistles. We'll get back after this. Now after 3 whistles, we brought it down, and this is how it looks. Now the brinjals are cooked nicely. Even the green peas, we are getting nice aroma, and this is how the gravy looks and tastes good also. You can adjust your salt if it is less or anything even after the cooking. And I think this will be a very good recipe for people who are dieting, who don't want to add oil to the cooking. So this will be a very good recipe for them. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.